Number 4. Toshiba rice. The Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup uncooked is a high-quality Japanese rice cooker that delivers exceptional performance, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design and compact size, this rice cooker offers a capacity of 6 cups, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its brand reputation. Toshiba has a long-standing history of producing reliable and durable appliances, and this rice cooker is no exception. With over 10 years of experience in the market, Toshiba has mastered the art of creating products that meet the needs and expectations of consumers. In terms of capacity, this rice cooker can hold up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, resulting in approximately 12 cups of cooked rice. This makes it ideal for daily use or when serving meals for friends and family. The generous size ensures there is enough rice for everyone to enjoy. The product dimensions of the Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup uncooked.